That's the Z Pro. As you can see, I put the design too close to the edge, so basically it hit these two pins and couldn't go further, and that's why I skipped some steps and messed it up. So, as you can see, as I explained before also, I basically started the cut and I put the design a little too far to the right. So basically the whole router, it hit the end stop, and yeah, you see what happens. It basically offsets the whole jig. I decided to continue to do the second leg, and as you can see, it still overpassed, but I'm gonna run this through a planer anyways, and it doesn't seem like I took too much on the first layer here. So one leg should be fine, and I'm gonna put a new board to make the other leg.